How to track a cell phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're focusing on how to track a cell phone number on an Android device. Whether you've misplaced your phone or want to stay connected with your loved ones, we'll show you step by step on how to do it using Android's built-in tools and trusted apps. So let's get started. Step number one is using Google Find Device. Google provides a built-in tool called Find My Device to locate any Android phone linked to your Google account. So here's how you can do it. So in order to do that, you may just open up your browser on your any device and go to Google Find My Device, or either you may download the Google Find My Device application easily. I'm just heading over to a browser, and after heading over to the browser, you're gonna go ahead and type in Google Find My Device here, or type in that and you will be taken to this location right here. So once you've logged in, you'll see your phone's last known location displayed on a map. You may just open to play sound to ring your phone, secure your device to lock it, or erase your device if it is lost and not recoverable. So if you're on another Android phone, download the Find My Device app from Google Play Store for your real-time access. Other than that, we have different options available that allows us to track our phone. One of them is Live 360, which is easily available on Play Store application, or other applications like Find My Kids, Google Family Link, or different kind of. For example, Live 360 is something you can easily find. Go ahead and download those kind of applications and you will be able to track each other on your device. Other than that, you may just contact your carrier. If your phone is lost or stolen, contact your mobile carrier. They can help you track your phone using its IMEI number or lock it to prevent unauthorized use. So you can find your IMEI by just going ahead to your call section. And here on your call section, go to your keypad, type in 0 hash *#06* and hit enter, and you will get an IMEI number of your screen on your screen, and then just go ahead and provide this number to your carrier for your assistance. And that's how you can track a cell phone number on Android. From Google tools to different kind of third-party applications, there's always a way to locate your phone or stay connected with your loved ones. So if this video helped, be sure to hit that like, subscribe for more Android tips, and let me know in the comments if you have other tracking solutions. Until next time, stay safe and connected.